Questions from mathematics section. Question number 15. Fraction of 20% is A 1 upon 8, B 1 upon 5, C 1 upon 25, D 1 upon 4. So 20% will be 20 multiplied with percent 1 upon 100. 20 into 1, 20 upon 100. 20 upon 100, when we will solve it, it will be 1 upon 10, and then we will solve by dividing with the same table of 2. It will be 1 upon 5. So the correct answer is B 1 upon 5. Question number 16. 0.005 multiply with 0.0003 is equals to, so here we will multiply 3 into 5, it will be 15, and there is 15 at the end of each option. So now we will add all the zeros after dot. So 3 zeros with 3 and 2 zeros with 5. So 5 zeros in option, it will be correct. So 5 zeros are in option D. So D option is correct in this question. Now question number 17. How many feet are there in 7 meters? If 1 meter is equal to 3.281 feet, so we will multiply 7 into 3.281. So here we will multiply 7 with 1, it will be 7. 7 is at the end of each option. So now we will multiply 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. 6 is also at the end of each option. 5 on the above of 2. 7 into 2, it will be 14. 14 plus 5, it will be 19. So the 9 is only in A, B and C option. D is eliminated in the here. So now we will multiply 7 into 3, it will be 21. 1 that is above on the 3, it will be added. So now it will be 22. 22 is in option C. C option is correct in this question. From intelligence quotient, choose the correct answer for the blank star. So here is 2, 4, 8, 16 and blank. 2 into 2, it will be 4. 4 into 4, it will be 8. 2 plus 2, it will be 4. 4 plus 4, it will be 8. 8 plus 8, it will be 16. 16 plus 16, it will be 32. So before looking at the options, we have answered that it will be 32. So option A is correct. For test preparation and job preparation, subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel. If you want to ask any questions, just comment. Thank you. Stay connected.